Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to explain about different types of lines and angles. Here the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are when two lines are intersecting each other. When two lines are intersecting each other like this at a point, then these lines are called intersecting lines. So we can draw many ways, and intersecting at a point, these kind of lines comes under intersecting lines. The common point for two or more lines are having common point, then those lines are called intersecting. Another type of lines are parallel lines. Parallel lines mean the distance between any two lines is always equal. The distance between any two lines, two or more lines are always equal, then the lines are called parallel lines. That means the distance between these two lines like this. These kind of lines are comes under parallel lines. Always the distance is equal between the parallel lines. Here one more type, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines means when two lines are intersecting at 90 degrees. Two lines are intersecting at 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees. Then the lines are called perpendicular lines. These all comes under, these type of lines are comes under perpendicular lines. They are intersecting at 90 degrees. And another type is concurrent lines. Concurrent lines means two or more, two or here not two, more than two lines are intersecting at one point, then the lines are called concurrent lines. More than two. If only two lines are intersecting at a point, intersecting lines. If more than two lines are intersecting at a point, those are concurrent lines. Now coming to angles, there are complementary angles are there. Complementary angles means when sum of two angles is 90 degrees, sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. Not only this one, we can take 30 here, 30 plus 60 is 90, then these two are complementary angles. And if I take 39 degrees plus 51 degrees is equal to 90 degrees, then 51 and 39, these are complementary angles. And the type supplementary angles. The sum of two angles is 180 degrees. Sum of two angles is 180 degrees. Then those angles are called supplementary angles. Now this one, for example, 120 plus 60 degrees. These two are supplementary angles. Sum of two angles is 180 degrees. Coming to adjacent angles, here you can observe here when two angles are having common arm and common vertex. That means if you can observe this angle and this angle, both are having the common vertex and a common arm. Then these two angles are called adjacent angles. And coming here you see, and this angle and this angle, these two are adjacent because here common vertex and common arm, these two are adjacent, and this one and this one, these two are adjacent, we can say. But this angle and this angle, these two are not adjacent. Yes, coming to linear pair, that pair of angles must be supplement at the same time adjacent angles. The two angles, the pair of angles, they have to satisfy the conditions. The pair of angles must be adjacent angles, and that must be supplementary angle. That means sum of the two angles must be 180 degrees. For example, 90 and 90. So these two angles are called linear pair. And here also you can see this one and this one, both are lies on the straight line, common arm, common vertex, adjacent angles at the same time. The whole angle is 180, that means supplementary. These kind of angles are called linear pair. Then coming to vertically opposite angles, when two lines are intersected at a point, we have total four angles. In this, the exactly opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles. Here you see this angle and this angle, both are vertically opposite, and this one is vertically opposite. Here you see these two are vertically opposite, and here these two are vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are always equal. Yes, these are the different types of lines and angles. I hope you have a good idea about lines and angles, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. Subscribe and share it and like it.